In the last 12 months, my Amazon FBA business has done over $1.2 million. As you can see, my main account over $700,000, and my second account has done just over $475,000. And today I'm going to break down the easiest way to do Amazon FBA product research. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trevor Peterson. I'm a full-time seven-figure Amazon seller, and today we're going to break down that easy strategy that literally is fail-proof that anybody can replicate as you follow my step-by-step tutorial. So this is a complete A to Z masterclass when it comes to Amazon FBA product research. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, please subscribe to the channel. So let's come in here and let's dive into my screen and let's break down the Amazon FBA product research process. So for those that don't understand product research and the importance of it, this is literally make or break your business. If you do this part wrong, you will lose, you will fail, and you will be throwing money down the drain. So this is where we want to make sure we get this part right. And the first thing that we need is a criteria for a winning product. So if you guys want this winning criteria, go to Instagram, give me a follow and say winning criteria, and I will send this to you completely free. So this criteria breaks down 10 basically criteria points of what makes a good product and what makes a bad product. And then we've got additional signs and things to look out for. So once we have that criteria, then we're going to come to a tool called Helium 10. I have a link down below where you guys can get 20% off for 6 months, and this tool alone is going to pay for itself literally 100x. So click the link, get signed up, and then you're going to go to what's called the black box tool. So right here, black box. And then you'll see that there's different tabs at the very top. And my preference and my favorite is the keywords tab. And basically what this tool is going to allow you to do is reverse engineer the equation. So what makes a good product is a product that has good search volume, a product that doesn't have crazy competition, a product that has healthy profit margins, a product that has a good price point. And basically you can go in and plug the criteria for a good product into these filters, and just like that, it will spit out literally hundreds of ideas that fit those criterias. So this is literally the easiest way. It's fail-proof because you literally just reverse engineer the equation. So let's come over here, and the first part that we want to look at is the search volume. So search volume means how many times people are searching for a specific keyword on Amazon. This is straight gold, and this is why Amazon is just unbelievable, and the opportunity is through the roof because there are millions of customers every single day searching for specific products. And we can go in and find what products people are searching for, because if we know they're searching for it, they want to buy it. If they want to buy it, we can cash in on those profits. So we want to find a product that is being searched at least 10,000 times plus per month. And what we're going to do is we're going to add up all the different keywords, which I'll show you guys here in a sec. But what I'm going to do in my first initial query results is do the minimum search volume of 3,000. Again, you can go in and play around with this. You can adjust it, you can increase it, you can lower it. This is just kind of a good starting point to kind of start at. So we're going to start with 3,000. The next thing is the monthly revenue. We can look at this. Obviously, if it has a good search volume, we know that the revenue is going to follow, but we'll say we want products that are doing at least 5 figures per month in sales. So we'll put the minimum of 10,000. The price point for me, I'm going to be focusing on products that are a little bit more expensive. The cheaper end products just get destroyed and you just get wrecked when it comes to PPC, and the competition is brutal. The barrier to entry is a lot lower, so you just get people that tank the markets. And for me, I don't find any interest in that. So I'm going to look at price points at $40 minimum, and then we'll say $170 maximum. The next one is the review count. This is where you can actually see where the competition is going to be, and it's just kind of common sense. The more reviews a seller has, the more likely they're going to basically crush you. The more competitive the market is. I mean, when you shop on Amazon, a lot of shoppers are basing their decisions off of reviews. That's not the only thing they look at, but that is an indicator of competition. So we want to look at review count, and we'll just say max review count of 300, and then the review rating. This is a golden nugget for you guys. This is where you want to go in and have the max of less than 4.5 stars. And I'll explain why here in a second. So I'm going to put 4.5 stars here. And just like that, we're going to come to the next filter that we're going to enter, and that is the category. So the category for me personally is, what are you interested in? What do you like to do? That would be kind of the first starting point. The next thing that you need to consider is what categories to avoid. There are certain categories that you can't sell in. There's certain categories that are a little bit more difficult to even get approved to sell in. And so like CD and vinyls, books, baby products, electronics, those are just categories that I'm going to stay away from just completely. So like software, staying away from. But I will sell in patio and lawn. I'll sell in kitchen and dining. I'll sell in home and kitchen. I'll sell in sports and outdoors. Like I'll sell in all of those. I'll sell in beauty and personal care. I'll sell in automotive. Like those are kind of the office products, pet supplies products. Like that's probably selecting too many, but I'm going to unselect this, and I'm just going to kind of look in the patio and lawn, just curious right there. So we'll just select that one category, and then again, you can come back and you can adjust it. And one, again, pro tip, don't feel the need to copy this. And I see so many people that watch my videos and they just plug in the same exact criteria, numbers, and it's like you're going to find similar products. So what you need to do is you need to think of it from a little bit different angle. You need to kind of think outside the box. You need to do a little bit of thinking on your own. So we've got the category, and then from there, basically, we're just going to hit search. And just like that, Helium 10 is going to pull up with 27 phrases that check off my particular criteria. And just like that, I'm going to scroll through and I'm going to see backdrop adjustable stand, mini fireplace, bird feeder camera, a forge, no dig fence barrier. This actually seems really interesting. So I'm going to open this up. And as you can see, this is just kind of a little protector. Like, honestly, this looks like a great product. We'll come back to it. I'll just continue to kind of scroll through. Here's another one, anti-dig fence barrier. So these are coming up. And as you can see, the price point is $40 plus. They're doing $12K per month in revenue, which is insane. A lot of these backdrops are coming up. So this could be another thing to look at, the photo backdrop stand. I'll pull this up. It looks like it got a 4.2 star review. We'll come back to Helium 10. And again, this is just my process. I'm just going through and I'm just scrolling through and seeing what catches my attention. This grass wall, they're doing 17K. They don't have that many reviews, and the reviews are bad. And so I'm going to pull this up and see what this one's all about. And I'm going to continue to scroll. And again, that was just the first page. And then we've got some other ones, a pizza oven table. We can look at that. We've got some bird feeder camera. For the most part, those are the ones that kind of caught my attention. And so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to the next category. I'm going to do home and kitchen, and I'm going to hit search. And just like this, I'm going to find an additional 138 phrases. And so this is the same exact process that I'm going to just continue to repeat. And I'm going to build up a list of products. So we've got grass wall, we've got a photo backdrop, we've got a no dig fence, and I'm just going to continue to scroll. We've got a drink table. I'm not sure what that is. It looks like it's just a little side table right there. Look at, we've got earthing sheets, a gold bar cart, whatever that is. I'm going to open this up. Okay, so this is just a little push cart. We got a shoe cabinet entryway. We've got behind the couch table. You just continue to scroll, and literally twin floor bed. Like that's probably a little too big for me. And that's another thing is like there are products that are probably very, very large that you probably don't want to sell, but don't listen to the advice. I see this across the internet of like, if it doesn't fit in a shoebox or if it's bigger than a loaf of bread, don't sell that product. Like that's BS. Like that's not true. There's so much potential in those little bit bigger products because so many people are overlooking them. And those are the markets that you want to enter into because the competition is going to be a lot less. So again, those are some things to kind of consider. Cylinder stands for parties. I'm not sure what that is, but I mean, that looks great. Like you see, like the reviews, like this one has 45 reviews, 100 bought. Like they're crushing it. They're doing over $10,000. This one, 100 plus bought last month, and they're selling it for $250. That's a $25K per month product. That's insane. And they have 18 reviews. So literally just like that, we found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, did this all live of products that I can now go in and verify to see if they have potential or not. And that's where I'm going to come to the winning criteria list of, does it meet this? Does it meet this? Does it meet this? And the way that I'm going to verify that is again by using Helium 10. So we're going to come to the first one that we found, this no dig fence barrier. And we're going to pull up the Helium 10 Chrome extension. You're going to hit X-ray, and basically what it's going to do is it's going to pull all of the data from the first page. It's going to analyze it, and it's going to break it down in basically just columns and give you all of the data that you need to know on whether or not this product is good or bad. And so right here, it breaks it down. One thing to note, Helium 10 is kind of messing with their UI. Me personally, I don't like this new UI. I'm so used to this old one, so I'm going to switch it to this one. Again, you can switch it back and forth. It's all the same data. It's just how it's being displayed, so don't freak out. I know a lot of people are like, oh, the video's outdated, like the UI is different. It's not. You can switch right back and forth. And this is the new design. This is the old design, and I like the old design. So the first thing I'm looking at is the search volume. This is fantastic. 5,700 searches per month for this particular keyword. And if you come to all time, you can definitely see that it is trending upward. There is a slight concern here, and the reason being is this is a fairly new product. And so this could be something that gets saturated very, very quickly. If we come over here, again, this is just a pro tip. That's what I share with my students. I'm literally revealing to you guys my secrets here. The creation date right here, I'm seeing a lot of 2022 and a lot of 2023. Those are fairly recent launches. And if all of them are fairly recently, it's only going to get more and more competitive. You want to see 2018, 2017, 2015, 2020, 2021. You want to see some variety of when they actually created the product. And what that means is when they actually launched this product. So the majority of people that launched this product was back basically just a few months ago. Now, there's still potential and you could still capitalize on this. I mean, the average reviews is extremely low. The profit potential, like people are crushing it. Like there's absolutely still a lot of potential, but that is just one thing that I would kind of steer away from. Doesn't mean that you can't take advantage of it, capitalize on it, and make money. Again, another thing to note, do not launch these products. I see so many people watch my YouTube videos and they're like, oh, Trevin found this product, I'm gonna go launch it. And then we got 50 people launching the same exact product, and we don't want that. Go learn how to do your own product research. I promise it'll pay dividends, and that's the number one skill set that you guys should be focusing on this year to make an insane amount of money. And if you don't want to learn that skill set, and if you want me to find you a product, we have a service, we have a process where we will actually handpick you a winning product. It's a one-of-one product. We don't talk about it on YouTube. We don't talk about it with anyone else. It's a one-of-one product just for you. We handpick it, we help you source the product, and then we help you launch it to page one. We take you through the entire process. If you're interested in that process, I have a video. It's a case study that breaks it down. It's a 2-minute video. You guys can watch it. And then if you're interested, you can book a call and we can go over all of the details on how we will help you find a winning product to launch on Amazon. So if you don't want to do it yourself, don't take these product ideas off of YouTube. Like, it's just a disaster waiting to happen. These videos are for educational purposes only. So do not take these ideas. And even though I say this, people are still going to take them and go launch them. But that's just one thing to know. So that is my process of going in and verifying. Again, I'm going to use this winning criteria sheet. I'm going to use the Chrome extension. I'm going to look at it. I'm going to use Helium 10 Black Box to find the ideas. And then I'm going to basically just go in and verify and make sure that it checks off all of those points of what makes a good product and what makes a bad product. And I'm going to avoid those things that I mentioned, such as like the creation date, the price point, the shoebox thing. I mean, you can sell a product that's smaller than a shoebox. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that the advice that people are saying of don't sell it unless it's smaller than a shoebox, I don't believe is great advice. So anyways, that is a complete process of me finding products. Literally a few clicks of a few buttons using Black Box, and I'm just literally scratching the surface. Like, we've got pages, we've got other categories, we've got different filters, and we can try a number of different things. Now, ending on that golden nugget, that pro tip that I shared with you guys of the review rating and why this is so important, of why I'm looking for products less than 4.5 star rating, is I'm looking for products that have holes in the market. I'm looking for products that have problems. And if they have problems, that means I can be the problem solver. And if I'm the problem solver, I'm going to crush my competition because my product is better than their product. So that alone is worth the entire 10 minutes of this YouTube video. Alone is find products that have holes in the market, find products with bad reviews, read the reviews, analyze the reviews, and then figure out how you can improve it. And if you can do that, you can win and crush the game of Amazon. So again, that's the entire process of product research. I hope you guys enjoyed. And again, if you want me to find you a winning product where I will hand deliver it to you, we'll get on a call. I'll break it down for you guys. Link will be down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, go get Helium 10. The link again will be all down in the description. I appreciate your guys' support, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.